Figma Variables. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open your browser and search for Figma.com. On the home page, click Design at the top of the screen. In Workspace, go to the right side of the screen and click Local Variables. Then, click Create Variable. You can choose from color, string, number, or Boolean. For example, choose color. Select your desired color. In this case, use a color from your own project. There is another method to create a variable. First, select the area of your page by clicking and dragging over it. Then, go to the right panel and find Selection Color. Hover over it and click the Style icon. After that, create a new collection to organize all your elements. Once the collection is created, click Create Variable. Give your variable a name and set the value. To set, click Libraries and select the primary color from your saved variable list. Your color variable is now created and organized in a collection.